What is unary operator overloading? First of all, understand that unary operator works with a single operand. Like when you write plus plus p or p plus plus, only p is the alone operand being used, right? But if you write a plus b, here the plus is the binary operator. It needs two operands a and b, right? In this lecture, I'll explain you how to overload plus plus operator, right? Obviously, it increments the value of the object, right? Let me tell you that this plus plus operator can be used in prefix form as well as in the postfix form. When I write plus plus p, it is prefix form, right? In this lecture, I'll be focusing on how to overload the unary operator in prefix form only. In the next lecture, I'll explain you how to overload the unary operator in postfix form, right? To understand it with an example, let us assume that I have a class product. It has one class attribute quantity, and I make an object product1 of product class. To initialize the quantity attribute of product1, I have made one default constructor that initializes the qty, that is quantity to value 10. When I display the quantity before invoking the plus plus operator, obviously it will display the value 10. When I write plus plus product1, compiler will look for the code to overload the unary operator, right? And the code is like void operator is the keyword here, and you write plus plus, and thereafter you to just use blank parenthesis. In the postfix form there will be something else. I'll let you know in the next lecture. And in the code you simply increment the value of quantity by 1. Consequently, when you write plus plus product1, the quantity of product1 will be incremented to 11. Now if you display the quantity value, obviously it will display the value 11. In the next lecture, I'll be explaining you how to overload unary operator in postfix form.